Hello friends. In this presentation, we'll try to cover various factors which are very important for decision making in context to loans. Or before granting any loan, how you can take a fair decision. These are the factors which we need to consider. Let's start then. You see, these are the five C's of credit. The first C stands for capital. This is actually the amount of total requirement which borrower is going to bring in from his or her pocket. So this capital is very important. Let's say we are supposed to make a house. So you see, borrower has to bring in something. This is called as a margin. Okay, so if margin is good, lender is a little bit comfortable. Next is like capacity of the borrower. This capacity means financial capacity of a borrower. It depends on the cash flows that the borrower is having, or maybe the anticipated cash flows after this particular loan is like sanctioned and the particular asset is being built. So capacity is actually indicated by the cash flows which the person is currently having and is expected to get after the completion of this particular project for which loan is taken. The next C goes into conditions. Conditions include various like terms and conditions that we are going to put in into your loan agreement. Like it includes interest rate, it includes the tenure, it includes if there is any change or in security requirements will be there throughout the loan period or not. Okay, so next C uh, me actually represents character of the borrower who is going to borrow. So financial character means how can you measure it? It depends on your past track record. If you have taken certain loans and you have repaid on time without any delays and defaults, it makes a good character for a person who can be like given a loan. Last is like collateral, but because this is microfinancing industry, and hence you see this element of collateral will not be possibly required. Reason being, like for a normal loan, collateral is must, but for microfinancing loan, security is exempted. So hence it is not applicable. But you should know the five C's of credit. The normal process of granting a loan is like first you go with the application, then you have to process certain reports, followed by credit rating, or you see credit scores for individual, rating is for institutions. Now you see here we are dealing with individuals, so it is credit score actually, and then we'll scrutinize the loan application depending on the merit, and based on the merit of the case, we will be supervising this particular advance. Okay, supervision of advance means like we will be giving the loan and we'll be trying to see how it performs over time, and then finally we are going to, if it is going to be a default, we are going to see how we are going to manage this default.